Good morning, boys and girls. This is Miss Simon. I hope you're doing well. I'm here to do a little math lesson with you. So I hope you're ready. We're going to talk about the number 13, the number 17, and one more and one less. So here we go. Make sure you participate with me. First of all, what is this number? That's right, 13. And if you notice right here, I have written out the word name for 13. And who can tell me what two letters 13 starts with? Yes, TH. And we've learned this TH makes what sound? Good job. 13. All right, so let's use our 10 frames to build 13. Can you count as I build? Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Beautiful. So we made 13. Excellent. Now, ways to make this number. How about if we use triangles and make 13? So we will need 13 triangles. Can you help me count? Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Beautiful. You know, when we count numbers like this, it's always a good idea to go back and double check yourself. So can we count that again? Can you help me? Let's start at 1. Let's go. Don't count too fast. Stay with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Beautiful. Now, boys and girls, do you look right here? Do you know what we call this? Yes, it's a number line. Can you put your finger on 13 on the number line? Excellent. I hope your finger is right here on 13. So let me ask you a question. What would 1 more than 13 be? 1 more than 13. Think about that for a minute. Because suppose if I had 13 triangles and I brought on one more triangle, how many triangles would I then have? Do you know? Can you answer that? What is 1 more than 13? I think I'm hearing people say 14. Beautiful. 1 more than 13 would be 14. Let's count it because I added one more. I put one more down. Let's see if 1 more than 13 is 14. Are you ready? Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Beautiful. So here's 13 on the number line. If I'm on the number line, because you can use a number line to find 1 more. Which way am I going to go? If I want more, 1 more, am I going to go up on the number line, go this way where the numbers get bigger or there are more numbers, or am I going to go backwards, down the number line where the numbers get smaller? Which way, boys and girls? Yes, I'm going to jump 1 more over. So I'm at 13, I'm going to go jump to 14. So 1 more than 13 is 14. When you're counting, you just think, wait a minute, what number comes after 13 when I'm counting? 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Beautiful. So now let's talk about one less. I'm going to take this back away because we're starting with 13. If I have 13 triangles and I want to know what is 1 less than 13, that means 1 is going away, 1 less. Let's see. Can you tell me before we count them, what is 1 less than 13? Count them if you need to. All right. I hope I heard everyone say, whoa, watch that too. Sorry about that. 1 less than 13 is 12. You know what? We can count it to be sure because I took 1 off. 1 less. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Now let's look at the number line. Can you find 13? Here we are. If I want to know 1 less, do I go forward up one on the number line, or do I go backwards on the number line? Yes, I go back one because I want to take one less. So if I go back one less than 13 is 12. It's like counting backwards. 13, 12, 11, 10. You have to think, what number do I say before I say 13? All right, thank you. You did such a good job. Let's look at one more. Let's look at the number 17, boys and girls. Look there, I have the 17. 110, 7, 1, 17. And you see I've written the number 17 right here. What letter does 17 start with? Yes, an S. And S says what? What's the ending sound to 17? Yes, an N. All right, are we ready to build 17? I wonder how many 10 frames it'll take. 1 or 2? You ready? Let's go. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Beautiful, boys and girls, 17. How about this time? Ways to make this number. We make it with 17 circles. You ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh, sorry, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. All right, let's spread those out a little bit. 17 circles. Can you help me count them? We're just counting the ones in the square. Let's count to make sure we have 17 in this rectangle. You ready? Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, and one more is 17. Very good. Can you find 17 on the number line? Touch it with your finger. Find 17. Beautiful. You should be right there, 17. Now, let me ask you this, boys and girls. What would one more than 17 be? If you're at 17, remember, one more, you go up one. What's the number after 17? Beautiful. I hope you said 18. Beautiful. One more than 17 would be 18. If you look at our number line here, we are at 17. One more, you go move forward one. After 17 is 18. Now, what about one less? We're back at 17. Here's 17. What would one less than 17 be? Think about which way you go on the number line. Or one less would mean I take one away. There's one less marker. What's the answer? Oh, I think I hear lots of people telling me 16. Very good. Miss Simon's got to get better writing with this marker, this pointer. All right, so if we were at 17, we go back one, we are at 16. So one less than 17 is 16. Excellent. You guys did such a good job today. Hey, listen, while you're at home, practice writing your numbers. Practice writing them to 13, to 17, or even to 20. Remember, our skill is to be able to write your numbers 1 to 20. Also, I don't know if you can see my lovely picture here, but I decided to make a 13 picture. I took the number 13 and I drew a picture and I put 13 of everything in it. I have 13 flowers. I don't know if you can see them, but there are 13 ants, 13 ladybugs, 13 trees, and 13 birds flying in the sky. So maybe, boys and girls, you can make a picture and take a picture of your picture or send a copy of it to your teacher so we can look and see what wonderful work you're doing. Have a good day. We sure do miss you.